Understanding her needs, a guide to emotional connection. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about empathy, understanding, and emotional connection. We're going to explore some emotional needs that women may have, and how being aware of them can help you form a deeper, healthier connection. So, if you're ready to dive in and learn how to show up more fully in your relationships, let's get started. We all crave safety, but emotional safety is particularly important in close relationships. When a woman feels emotionally safe with you, she feels comfortable sharing her thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or rejection. It means she can be vulnerable, knowing that she won't be shut down or made to feel small. This is where true intimacy begins. Creating this kind of safety takes conscious effort. It's about actively listening, validating her feelings, and responding with empathy, even when you don't fully understand or agree. We all know communication is important, but it's more than just talking. For many women, being able to share their thoughts and feelings openly is crucial to feeling connected. This means actively listening without interrupting, trying to fix things, or getting defensive. It's about asking clarifying questions, seeking to understand her perspective, and being willing to be vulnerable yourself. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Validation is about feeling seen and heard. For many women, feeling validated by their partner is incredibly important. It doesn't mean you have to agree with everything she says or does, but it does mean acknowledging her feelings and respecting her perspective. These seemingly small gestures can go a long way in making her feel heard and understood. Chapter 4. The need for support during stress. Life is full of challenges, and we all need support to navigate those difficult times. When a woman is feeling stressed or overwhelmed, often, the most helpful thing you can do is simply be there for her. This isn't about rushing to fix the problem or offering unsolicited advice. Sometimes, just knowing that someone has her back and understands what she's going through is enough to make a world of difference. Chapter 5. The need for respect for independence. While closeness and connection are essential, so is respecting her need for independence. Respecting her independence means valuing her personal space, her hobbies, and her career aspirations. Remember, a healthy relationship is about two whole individuals choosing to be together, not two halves trying to become one. Chapter 6. The need for affection. Affection is the language of love. It's how we express care, tenderness, and connection. Affection can be physical, like holding hands, cuddling on the couch, or a simple touch on the arm. It can be verbal, like telling her how much you appreciate her, or how beautiful she looks. The key is to understand what kind of affection resonates with her, and to make an effort to express it regularly. We all have a deep-seated need to feel appreciated, to know that our efforts are seen and valued. Appreciation can be for the big things, like her unwavering support or her incredible strength, but it can also be for the small, everyday things. Thank her for making dinner, for listening to you vent about your day, for simply being who she is. When you make an effort to notice and appreciate the things she does, big and small, it communicates that you see her, you value her, and you're grateful to have her in your life. Trust is the bedrock of any strong, healthy relationship. Without trust, we can't truly open ourselves up to another person or allow ourselves to be vulnerable. Building trust takes time and consistency. When she knows she can trust you, she can relax into the relationship, knowing that she has a safe and secure base to come home to. In today's fast-paced world, finding quality time for each other can be a challenge, but it's crucial for maintaining a strong connection. Quality time isn't about grand gestures or elaborate dates. It's about being present, engaged, and fully focused on each other. Put away your phones, turn off the TV, and create a space where you can truly connect. The key is to make time for each other, even when life gets busy, and to cherish those moments of shared connection. While you don't have to agree on everything, having shared values, goals, and interests can create a sense of alignment and purpose in your relationship. This doesn't mean you have to be the same person, but it does mean having a mutual understanding of what you both want out of life and working together to create a future that feels meaningful and fulfilling for both of you. Shared values and goals create a foundation of shared understanding and purpose, which can strengthen your bond and help you navigate life's challenges as a team. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the most important takeaway is this. Building a strong, lasting relationship takes courage. It takes courage to be vulnerable, to show up authentically, and to put in the effort to truly understand and meet each other's needs. When you show up with courage in your relationships, it creates a ripple effect, inspiring others to do the same. So let's choose courage, let's choose connection, and let's create relationships that are built on a foundation of love, respect, and deep, meaningful understanding. Okay, thanks for watching for this video. Subscribe for more videos.